Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to replace the washer blades on a W222 Mercedes Benz. So to get to the wipers, you'll have to press the power button a couple of times and then catch the wipers as they go vertical, and as that happens, turn off the power, press the button again, and you'll catch them there in vertical position. The reason you need to do that is because one of the arms will be under the hood, so you cannot bend it in order to replace the blade. This is the wiper that I found on as of October of 2025 on FCP Euro for about $150. But the other good thing is that they're lifetime warranted. So you'll move you'll bend the arms 90 degrees, and then there is a button in the center and that you press, and then if it has been there for a while, you just pull it up at that point. But if it doesn't come out easily, just jiggle it and it will come off with a little force, upward force. Now, you might want to protect the windshield with a towel if you don't want to let go of the arm, or it will spring down and hit the windshield and damage it. Also pay attention, compare the old and the new. The one closest to the driver's side is longer by just an inch, a little over an inch, inch and a half or so. And these are, by the way, the Magic Vision Control called blades. That's why they are expensive, because they're heated, and the washer nozzles are integrated in the blade system. And so really it's that easy. You just press it back down to install. And I hope you find this short video of use, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.